Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and on this video I'm going to share with you guys the best deals for May 3rd. Yes, we are already starting May. I thought by this time we're going to be going back to normal, but we just continue doing our best, staying home. But in case you do need to go out, here are some of those great deals. I think some of these you may be able to do online as well. Hopefully those items are available once the ad starts. This is for CVS. And as you know, the printable list is going to be provided below the link, which is going to take you to my website. If you're having any issues trying to restart a different browser, I know Google Chrome is a pretty good one to go ahead and search in case. So there's freebies, and there's so many huge money makers, and I'm going to share those with you. So let's go ahead and get started. The first deal is for Glucerna. These are the mini treats. As you see in the ad, it says buy 2 get 5, and it's a limit of 1. It does include Ensure, as you see in the picture, but it does offer Glucerna is part of the deal, and you see it on the ad right on this section. So the deal is buy 2 of these mini treats, 2 for $5.79. Remember, they do vary by price in store. If you get them in the store, the price will be $11.58 once you buy 2. There's a coupon coming on this Sunday's paper. I believe we're expecting 2 Retail Me Not and a Smart Source. So the coupon will be in the Smart Source for this Sunday, May 3rd. And it's going to deduct $5 off 2. I believe the coupon says it will deduct on any item. So this does qualify. Pay $6.58, get back $5, making it $1.58. Anytime we do this deal, we do give these items away for those people that really need them. So let's go ahead and look at another great deal. I'm excited about this deal because this promotion I have mentioned previously. This is a promotion that if you buy 3 specific items, it does include Cheerios. The good thing is that I'm going to provide the link below so you guys could check it out. And it does provide the UPC, and it tells you exactly the size of the box that it qualifies. So not all General Mills are included on this offer, or I will say on this promotion. But Cheerios is part of it, part of this promotion. And the promotion is that once you buy 3 qualifying participating General Mills cereals, you will get a free a ticket from Fandango, and it values up to $13. So you're just getting free movie tickets if you buy 3 of the qualifying or participating products. And this will have to be in one transaction before May 22nd. So we already did this offer, and we already got our free movie ticket. So this is another win-win deal. So go ahead and buy 4 in this case. They're going to be special for $1.99. If you want to do the participating program right below the promotion, then just make sure you select the ones that are the ones in the promotion, participating ones. So buy 4 for a total of $7.96. There's coupons on the Smart Source of March 29. Use 2 of those coupons, deducting $1. Use CRTs that are deducting $2 off 8. And there is a coupon in the app, the CVS app for General Mills. Pay $3.46. There's no ECB for this deal, so your total will be 87 cents each. But for almost $3.50 and $13 worth of free movie tickets is such a win-win deal. Just wanted to share that, guys, with you. So the next offer I want to talk to you, as you see, is a huge money maker. This week, this is printing for everybody. This is a CRT. This was a mystery offer. The mystery coupon that is in the ad mentioned that is happening this week. We usually expect $3, but it was $5. And as you see, is for any Maybelline or any all-made cosmetics. So I was able to go ahead and print that. So if you have this CRT, go ahead and hold on to it, and you might be able to do it for this ad. So what you will do is buy a mascara for $6.99 and the blush for $5.99. That will be $12.98 total. But the coupons you're going to be using is one for the mascara that we are expecting this Sunday on the Retail Me Not on May 3rd. So that will be on this Sunday's paper that's coming on May 3rd. And as you see, the mascara is for $2, and the face product will be for $2, but it's the face Fit Me product, and this is a Fit Me blush. So use these two manufacturer coupons. Then you're gonna stack that with this CRT that is printing for everybody this week. And if you have this CRT for 3 off 12 cosmetics, go ahead and use them. Just pay 98 cents in the register, but get back 5 for buying 2 products, as you see here, making it free, and $4.02 Moneymaker. If you don't have these 2 CRTs, the $8, then it will be $1.99 each. So let's go ahead and Aleeve. I love these vitamins, the gummy vitamins. As you see, the deal is for the 30 to 90 count. Spend 20, get 6, and they usually retail for $14.99, $15.79. So you cannot find one for $20. At least I have not seen one. So the best deal is to buy 2 for $14.99. Right there is $30. Use this CRT if you have these CRTs. I did get these 6 off 2 any Aleeve vitamins, 3 off any Aleeve vitamins, and 4 off 25 vitamin purchase, mix and match. So stack all those 3 CRTs. If you have them, pay $16.98, and the ECB will be 6, making it $10.98 or $5.49 each, which is a lot of savings if you're able to use those CRTs. If you don't have those CRTs, then it will be $1. I mean, it will be $11.99 each. I really like those vitamins. This is a great deal happening this week because it is such a better offer than the one that is happening on May 3rd. But if you want, and you're starting to coupon and you need it, or if you have a CRT that has to do with shaving or the skin timid, then it will be a great deal. But without the CRT, it will come out to $1.99, which is not bad because the regular price, as you see, is $9.99. The deal is buy one, get one 50% off. Spend 15 and get 5 ECB. They're letting us know that there's going to be some digital coupons, so you're going to be able to do this online if you have missed on this deal. There's also other coupons. They're printable coupons as well, and coupons we got on the Smart Source for 26, deducting $3 each. So go ahead and buy 2, and right there will be $14.99. Use 2 coupons, deducting $3 each. Pay $8.99, get back 5, making it $1.99. But like I mentioned, this will be a great deal if you have a CRT for shaving or skin timid, or you want to go ahead and do this deal in digital. Just wait for that coupon and send it to your car, so you have great savings. Great deal here. We have the whole blends. We have L'Oreal hair care. There's, as you see, 2 different offers, 2 for $8 and 2 for $7. So right there you have $15. I did not get many CRTs. This is the most I got. Usually I get 3 off 12, 3 off 15, 4 off 18. The only hair care CRT that I got was $2.25 off 10. So if the same thing happened to you, then this will be a great deal. Go ahead and buy 2 of the L'Oreal, 2 of the whole blends. That would be $15. You could use the coupon for L'Oreal, as you see here. This is great for you to do digital, just for the L'Oreal alone, because you could have it's in the card, it's in the app. And the whole blend coupon is going to be available on this Sunday's paper on May 3rd. And go ahead and stack that with that CRT. Pay $6.75, but you're going to get back 4, and then you're going to get back 3. No, actually, you're going to get 2 for the whole blends. As you see, you're going to get 4 and you're going to get 2, making it 75 cents for everything, or just 19 cents each, which is a great deal. And remember, you're halfway for the Beauty Reward Club. If you don't have the CRT, then it will just be 75 cents each. As you know, right here it says save $10 instantly, and this is that beauty reward, beauty offer that's going to be happening for this ad. And that means that there is going to be an extra care coupon printing that is going to save you instantly $10 when you purchase $30, which you can mix and match with any L'Oreal, Maybelline, or Garnier. So right here we have L'Oreal, Maybelline, and Garnier all together, and I'm going to show you a $30 haul. So how you could take advantage of that $10 CRT that should be printed for everybody this Sunday. So go ahead and buy 2 of the L'Oreal, just like I mentioned, the whole blends, which I just shared that deal with you guys. And in this case, for the Maybelline, we're gonna add the mascara and the Maybelline powder. Right there, we have $30.58. We're gonna use those coupons that I mentioned on the previous deal, which is for the Garnier and the L'Oreal. We're gonna use that coupon that's gonna be printing for 10 off 30. Hopefully it's the same as we have seen in the past. And in the app, there is a Maybelline powder. You could go ahead and send that to cart if you're gonna do this deal. And then the 2 coupons that I mentioned for Maybelline are right here, which also is gonna be on the May 3rd insert. And if you have that CRT that I mentioned for Maybelline, the Ducking 5, that is printing for everybody this week. If you have all these coupons and CRTs, go ahead and pay $4.58 out of $30.58. But you're gonna be getting back a few ECBs. You're gonna be getting back the 4 for L'Oreal, 2 for the whole blends, and 5 for Maybelline. Right there, after paying $4.58 and after these ECBs, that your total will be $6.42 Moneymaker. And guys, I'm not even including the $3 that qualifies for the beauty reward. So this is a huge money maker, such a great deal. And even if you don't have the 5 CRT that is printing for Maybelline, it still will be free and $1.42 money maker. And right here you get to see how that app coupon looks like for the powder. Here's another deal idea. If you just want to get hair care products, go ahead and purchase the L'Oreal whole blends and L'Oreal Ever hair care. As you know, this one is very expensive. This is part of the deal. This is going to be 2 for $15, which you see here, and you're going to be getting a 5 ECB for buying 2. So with all these products, all these 6 products, you reach $30. I know it's crazy. If you was just not even couponing all these hair care, how easily it reached $30. You're going to be using those coupons that I mentioned. For the L'Oreal, there's a coupon coming that is going to be $5 off too, which that is in the Retail Me Not of $4.26, which came this Sunday. So with all those coupons, just pay $9, but you're going to get back 4 for the L'Oreal, 2 for whole blends, and 5 for the L'Oreal Ever. And this one is the cream. So that your final price will be free and $2 money maker. Now let me just show you another deal idea. Right here you could just go ahead and buy the 2 same shampoos that I mentioned, hair care. We're going to include the Garnier Fructis, and we're going to include 2 of the Maybelline single eyeshadow that we normally see for $4.19. Right there we reach $30. You're going to be using all those coupons that I mentioned. For the Maybelline, where you're just going to be using that CRT of $5. And for the Garnier Fructis, there is a coupon for $3. And yeah, it's not shown on this page, but there is a coupon for that as well. Go ahead and pay $6.38, but you're going to be getting back you're going to be getting back 4 for the L'Oreal, 2 for the Garnier, and another 2 for the Garnier Fructis, the whole blends. As you see, that's why there's a 2 there, and $5 for Maybelline, giving you a final price of $6.62 in Moneymaker. Guys, there's many different deal ideas that I wanted to share with you guys, and they're all nice Moneymaker. So this is a must-have. This is something that anytime I see a great deal, I go ahead and I stock up on, in this case, the SPF. And this one is Copper Tone. This one, it does say selected Copper Tone Sun Care. Buy 1 get 1 50% off, and buy 2 get 5. Sadly, there is a coupon, but the sad thing is that that coupon expires on Saturday, so we're not able to use that manufacturer coupon. So go ahead and purchase one for $10.79. The other one's going to be half off for $5.40. So right there is $16.19. So you're already saving half of the total price. As you see, if you have any CRTs, go ahead and use them. There is no coupons or CRT. The good thing is that they're giving you back $5 in ECB. But there's also offers in checkout 51. As you know, checkout 51 ends on Wednesday, and I'm doing this ad really early on, so I will know if it's still gonna be there for the once this ad starts. You will know on Thursday. So go ahead and check out that app, if it's there, then you're going to be getting back $2 for each. That means you're going to be getting back 4. That's why I put if available, making it a final price of $7.19 or $3.59, which is a pretty good deal for sun care. Aleeve is going to be a special as well. Buy one get one 50% off, spend 20 get 8, and it says Aleeve 40 to 270 count. And here's a great deal because we're expecting coupons. The only thing is that I have not seen the coupon. I don't know if it has any fine print. I don't know if it has a limit of 2, but if it doesn't, then this would be a great deal. Go ahead and buy Aleeve. There's a few of those that they have 40 count like this one, or this one 50 count for $8.49. So the other one's going to be $4.25, but just make sure you get 3 because you want to reach those $20. So your final price will be $21.23. Use 3 coupons that is coming on this Sunday's paper in the Smart Source, deducting $4 each. So go ahead and use 3 of those. Pay $9.23, but you're going to get back 8, making it just $1.23 for all 3, or 41 cents each. Such a great deal. And the final huge money maker I want to share with you guys. This one is easy to do because we have done this so many times in the past. CoverGirl is going to be buy 2 get 7. So go ahead and buy 2 of that famous eyebrow pencil, which is the cheapest item you could get for $6.49. The good thing is that in this deal, you could go ahead and select the digital coupon or also print it if you don't have it, if you're new. If you know somebody that's new and starting, share this deal so they could go ahead and start learning how couponing is just by printing it and sending the coupon to their car. So go ahead and buy 2 of these brow pencil for $6.49. Use 2 coupons for the eye product, deducting $3 each. And if you have the CRT for any cosmetics, go ahead and use that. Pay $3.98, but you're going to get back 7, making it $3.02 money maker. Such a great deal. And if you don't have that CRT, it will be free. And remember, it qualifies for that beauty club. Once you spend $30, you get that 3 free beauty ECB. So I'm excited with all these great deals. What I do like about these money makers is when I want to buy, especially those essential items that we need for the house, we're able to use these money makers and make it a lot easier. That way we spend way less out of pocket, especially in this hard time that we are all going through. So guys, I hope that you are enjoying your week, having a great day. The printable coupons, the shopping list, the cashback is all gonna be provided below. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay safe, and until the next video, bye.